What's up, YouTube friends and family? So here's another one of my Cricut Design Space projects. I made this Gucci themed Minnie Mouse, and I'm going to show you how to layer it freehand with no registration marks. And this is the first layer, and we're going to put on the next layer, which is her cute little bow. Want to make sure you have it lined up. Don't cover up her eyelashes. You get it in there like so. And remember, each layer you're only going to press for a few seconds because you are adding multiple layers. Okay, I think she's down there good. Okay, her cute little bow is good to go, and now we're going to add the details to her bows, a little white polka dot, and line them up nice and even. Now her bow is all set. We're still missing a few more pieces, and again, this is a freehand layer without the registration marks, and I got this design off the web, and I'm using my favorite software, which is the Cricut Design Space. And remember, don't press all of the layers too long because you don't want to overheat them. Alright, so each one I press for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then I add the next layer. So here are the sunglasses, and I'm also going to add these little marks, few more details for her bow. Cover it with a Teflon sheet and press for 2 seconds. And again, these are all cool peels, so you wait until they cool off completely, and then you remove the top carrier cover. Now it's time for the next layer, and we have at least 2 more to go after this, and the project is finished. And she's coming along just fine. 2 more steps, and that's it. And if you guys want to know, or you want to purchase something like this, leave me a message and I will get back to you. 2-second press, and we're doing it at 300. And the last and final detail to this Mickey Mouse Gucci inspired, and you guys have to excuse me, but my great nephew is here as I'm recording, and he has a lot to say in the background. And if you'd like to get something like this done for maybe one of your favorite people, your niece, your mom, I think this is suitable for all ages. You can hit me up at jolasfashions.com, or you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook at JOLAS Fashion. That's JOLAS Fashions, FASHIONS.com. And that completes our project. But I'm going to come back here in just a second and show you the finished product. Well, actually, it's pretty finished now. And you see those details I added to add some flair, give it a different look. And voila, Minnie Mouse Gucci inspired decal, and it looks good on any color. Earlier in the video I showed you the white tee that was completed, and this one's on red. And again, thanks for watching, and if you want to know more about layers with registration, go back and check out my video with how to add registrations to layering using the Cricut Design Space. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.